Yeah, good afternoon everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, because we're covering a new crypto called Shrap, coming from Shrapnel, I think. But this is a new token that I actually saw, I think, somewhere last week. Like, it was listed on some pretty big exchanges, and some other people in the community were talking about it. So now in this video, I just wanted to take a look at it. It's a relatively low market cap coin. The volume is actually decent. The volume has dropped down quite a bit. It was higher, but still, that doesn't matter that much. I mean, with low volume, you can actually have bigger moves. And apart from that, it's coming from this new game, which when I saw some footage of the game, it actually looked very, very good. Now, if you take a look at the website, you'd say it's just another one of those crypto games. But no, it actually looked fairly good. I'm not sure if I can easily find that, but that made me think, hey, perhaps has some potential. Here you can see some gameplay. Yeah, like I said, looks pretty good. But in the end, I mean, new token as well. So new tokens can usually rally quite a bit. So that's why I just wanted to make a video on that. You can also see right now that it's showing quite a lot of momentum. It's basically... earlier this morning, this is the 15-minute time frame which we'll be using to have as much price action as possible. Earlier this morning started to pick up momentum here, broke above several Fibonacci levels from this top right here, which I don't think that price was ever reached, but it is a valid Fibonacci level. I tend to find, at least it seems to be respecting it as well, so that means something. But it has been bullish. So far, market structure, very bullish. All right, we haven't seen any bearish breakout. In general, what's happening is that shrapnel is breaking above resistance levels every time. For example, right here at 10 cents, and then holding that as support. Again here at 11 cents, then holding it as support, and 12 cents, and then holding that as support. So shrapnel will continue to go up until that support gives up. And now the main support, which shrapnel has broken above, is still 12.5 cents. And it seems to have found some more resistance right here between, I would say, 14 and 15 cents. 14 being quite respected right here, and 15 cents being a strong psychological resistance level. So that matters too. So very simply said, and this is like this is possibly the most simple way you can analyze, but I do think it's the truth. What we're waiting for is a breakout. And that breakout is either going to be below 12.5 cents or above 15 cents. And I don't necessarily have a preference, all right? If shrapnel breaks above 15 cents, it will rally up higher towards 17.5 and potentially all the way up to 20 cents. So the bullish breakout is definitely more interesting. And I'm leaning towards that because gaming cryptos have been doing very well. Shrapnel certainly seems to have some momentum here. So I'm leaning towards saying this is most likely. But personally, I mean, I'm thinking about trading this. Shrapnel is also on Bybit. But personally, I'm really waiting for that confirmation. Like, if 15 cents breaks and if it holds, and if shrapnel holds that as support, that's a major technical bullish breakout. All right, so that means that more bullish momentum is probably coming. And now the situation is just a little bit less bullish. Like, it's finding some strong resistance, and it's yeah, we'll have to see. It's right now it's really neutral. I'm going to say that I think it's a bit more likely that shrapnel will get that bullish breakout I was talking about. So breaks above 15 cents and then rallies up to 17, and potentially, if it has a lot of momentum, 20 cents, and then from there we'll see again. But I would wait for that confirmation before buying or selling it, all right? Because if shrapnel, which, like, shrapnel is coming down now, if it breaks down below 12 cents, it will drop down to 11 cents. And then it's more likely that it will drop down to 10 cents as well and just consolidate down here. And then potentially rally later somewhere next week. But that's, yeah, that's hard to predict right now. That depends on how much support it finds and just in general the development of the price. So those are my thoughts on shrapnel for now. I could do some sort of a project review if you'd be interested in that, but that's I'll leave that up to you. For now, this is my take. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know. As you can see from the top, I have my own Signal and Premium group. If that sounds interesting, if you want to become a better trader and get some profitable trades, check that out. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.